Welcome students. After a long vacation and due to COVID-19, you have already promoted from second year to be a final year. And now, congratulations that you are in semester 5th. In this video, I am explaining and discussing about compulsory English syllabus of BA 5th semester. As we have studied in BA Part 1 and BA Part 2, like in the 5th sem also, we have essays, short stories and poems, portion of grammar, and also internal assessment. So students, our syllabus is divided into two modes. First is theory mode. It is for 80 marks, and internal assessment is for 20 marks. First we are discussing about theory paper. Theory paper of 80 marks has 4 units. Unit wise we are making a discussion here. Unit first has a prose section, and in this unit one prose section we have to study 2 essays. First essay is Playing the English Gentleman, which is written by Mahatma Gandhi, and the second essay is The Gold Frame, is written by R.K. Lakshman. In this unit first 2 essays are there, and as far as for the exam pattern, 3 short answer questions will be asked in the question paper with the internal choice, each carrying 5 marks, and 5 short answer questions, each carrying 1 mark, is equal to 20 marks. Then unit 2 is the poetry section, and we have 2 poetries in this unit. The first is She Walks in Beauty, is written by Lord Byron, and The Lost Leader is a historical poem written by Robert Browning. These 2 poems had also the same exam pattern, 3 short answer questions with internal choice for 15 marks, and 5 very short answer questions carrying 1 mark each, 20 marks are for this unit also. Unit third, it is for short stories. Friends, we have 2 short stories. First is a very beautiful tragic short story, Kabuliwala, written by Rabindranath Tagore, and the second story is The Open Window, a mysterious story written by Hector Hughes Munro. Exam pattern or paper pattern, we can say 3 short answer questions with internal choice carrying 15 marks, and 5 very short answer questions, each carry 1 mark, 20 marks for this unit also. We are turning towards the 4th unit. 4th unit has 2 sections. In first section, applied skill, and second section is essay writing. In applied skill, there are 2 parts. The first is writing an inventory report, and second is writing an advertisement copy. Each carry 5 marks, is equal to 10 marks. And for essay writing, essay will be based on social, environmental, economic and current topics. It is for 10 marks. In this way, we have make a discussion of theory paper which is for 80 marks. For internal assessment, we have 20 marks, and these 20 marks are divided on certain topics. First, 10 marks for Viva and 10 marks for your assignment. Friends, for theory, we have a book, textbook, which is prescribed, Glimpses of English, an anthology of prose and poetry, which is edited by P.K.U. Pillai and published by Datsun. And for internal assessment, we have a book, Improve Your English, Step Up Third, which is published by Foundation Books. So friend, in the next video, we will start with the first essay, Playing the English Gentleman, written by Mahatma Gandhi, in which day before yesterday, I have already sent a PDF file of this essay. Thank you.